As they say, culture eats strategies for breakfast. So culture is really important for an organization. And this specific leadership development program guides you how to develop an organizational culture. ये बहुत ही कम्प्रिहेंसिव प्रोग्राम था लीडरशिप की ग्रूमिंग के लिए, जिसमें हमें बताया गया कि वी एज लीडर्स कैसे खुद को डेवलप कर सकते हैं और अपनी टीम्स को प्रॉफिटेबल और वेल ऑर्गेनाइज बना सकते हैं फील्ड्स के अंदर।
कि प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग में किस तरह से हमें प्रॉब्लम को आइडेंटिफाई करना है, उसके रेजोल्यूशंस हमने देखने हैं, उसके क्या अल्टरनेटिव सॉल्यूशंस हो सकते हैं, उनको इम्प्लीमेंट करना है, उसके बाद उनके रिव्यूज़ और रिजल्ट्स हमें किस तरह से सामने आएंगे।
If you cannot solve a problem, it will become part of your life. So from this leadership development program, you can better identify the problems and you can better solve them in a positive way for both for the employee and the organization.
इफेक्टिव कम्युनिकेशन किस तरह से इम्पॉर्टेंट है अच्छे टीम्स की टीम बिल्डिंग में, उनके पॉजिटिव माइंडसेट, ग्रोथ माइंडसेट को डेवलप करने के लिए।
Sometimes, we get frustrated that we don't find the right partners or the right quality of trainers. However, with NUST, I must say that the training that was delivered was at par to international standards. The trainers were very well accredited. They were very knowledgeable on the topics, and they were very, they were able to deliver the message, very effectively to our participants. So I am very thankful to NUST and very, very pleased with the quality of the training that was delivered.
So we have found sort of NUST to be very, very promising sort of partner in development of our HR resources within the organizations, and we really sort of look forward for sort of strengthening this partnership going forward.
So whatever you have learned, if you apply 1% of it in your respective role, and like 25 area managers, we expect that you will, inshallah, and that impact will be shared with NUST team as well. ठीक है जी? So with this note, I leave you, and I thank you all for being here at NUST. Inshallah, we'll see you next time. Inshallah.